Hi friends. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm super excited to share a viral Dubai-style chocolate recipe that you can easily make at home. This chocolate is rich, creamy, and luxurious, yet very simple to prepare. It's perfect for kids, lunchboxes, gifting, and especially for busy moms. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, so you never miss any easy and delicious recipes. And if you enjoy this video, please like and share it with your friends. Now, let's get started. Ingredients 020 to 040. For this recipe, you'll need milk chocolate, you can also use dark chocolate if you prefer. A chocolate mold. A little cooking oil. Pistachio cream or crushed pistachios. Ready-made pastry or biscuits. 1 tablespoon butter. Fresh cream or whipping cream. Method 040 to 240. First, take the milk chocolate and break it into small pieces. Melt the chocolate using a double boiler or microwave it for about 1 minute, checking every 15 seconds until smooth. Next, take a chocolate mold and lightly grease it with a little oil. Sprinkle a small amount of pistachio cream or crushed pistachios into the mold. This gives the chocolate that authentic Dubai-style flavor. Now, add a layer of melted chocolate and spread it evenly inside the mold. In a pan, add the crushed pastry or biscuits and 1 tablespoon of butter. Cook this on low heat until it becomes crispy and golden. Spread this crispy mixture over the chocolate layer. After that, take the fresh cream, mix it well until smooth, and spread it gently over the pastry layer. Now pour another layer of melted chocolate on top, covering everything completely. Setting time, 2:40 to 3 o'clock. Place the mold in the freezer for about 5 to 6 minutes, or until the chocolate is fully set. Final reveal and outro, 3 to 4 o'clock. Once set, carefully remove the chocolate from the mold. And look at this, your viral Dubai-style chocolate is ready. This chocolate looks premium, tastes amazing, and costs much less than store-bought Dubai chocolates.